Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Venmo to PayPal without a bank account in 2025. If you're someone who's always on the go or just wants to avoid those pesky bank fees, this method is a game changer. With the latest updates to these apps, it's easier than ever to move your money seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to ensure your Venmo and PayPal accounts are set up and verified. In 2025, both apps have enhanced features for non-bank users, like virtual debit options. Start by opening your Venmo app and heading to the Manage Balance section. Here, look for the Cash Out to Card feature. This allows you to transfer funds to a prepaid debit card linked to your Venmo. If you don't have one, you can get a virtual card through Venmo's partnerships with services like Wise or Revolut. Once you've got your funds on that prepaid card, the next step is to link it to your PayPal account. Open PayPal, go to Wallet, and select Add Money or Link a Card. Enter the details of your prepaid card. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few seconds. Pro tip: make sure to use a card that's specifically designed for international transfers to avoid any hidden fees. Now, for the actual transfer. From Venmo, initiate a cash out to your prepaid card, then immediately add those funds to PayPal. In 2025, PayPal's instant load feature means this could happen in real time. If you're dealing with larger amounts, double-check for any limits set by the apps. Typically, Venmo allows up to $10,000 per week without a bank link. One common hiccup is verification delays, so always keep an eye on your email for any two-factor authentication prompts. And remember, while this method works great, it's always smart to review the terms of service for both apps to stay compliant. Wrapping this up, transferring from Venmo to PayPal without a bank account is totally doable in 2025 with a little prep. It's all about using those innovative tools at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.